At the North Pole playground, the snow is soft and white. The elves come out to play each day from morning until night. They slide on icy rainbows and they twirl like carousel. And everywhere they run you hear the jingle of a bell. Jingle bells ringing as they play, echoing through frosty skies in such a silly way. The penguins join the fun now, waddling in a line. They hop across the snowy hills, they're doing just fine. The polar bears go dancing to a cheerful winter tune, while reindeer practice jumping toward the snowy moon. Jingle bells, chiming soft and sweet, guiding little dancing feet across the snowy street. The elves build giant snowmen who are 20 stories tall. They decorate them cheerfully like Christmas carnival. Then Santa walks up chuckling, what giggles I can hear. Those jingle bells remind me that Christmas time is near. Jingle bells, let your laughter flow.